Hello and welcome! In this how to draw video we'll be drawing Mr. Strong. This guy here, he's very square, very red and very strong. There we go. Alright, so let's pop him here for our inspiration. So we hope you follow along with us and have lots of fun. Alright, let's get drawing. Okay, so we've got our paper here and Mr. Square, as you can see, we'll pop him down here so you can see him as well. He's got a very square body. So let's draw the square. Now when we draw him, we just need to leave a little space on the sides for his arms and legs. So let's start on the top first. So we draw a nice line along the top, like that, or you can start on the side, that's fine. And then we go move down the side. So here's the square so that each side is the same length. We'll just move down here, and then from here I'm going to leave a little space for his arm and continue down there. Well, and you are already well ahead, that's fine. And we'll do the same on the other side. Leave a little space for his arm and continue there. And then we'll draw the bottom. And in the bottom we will draw a line here and then leave a little space, just like you've done, that's good. And then carry on like that. Alright, so next part we're going to draw is his hands. So we can do the hand on the left hand side. He's got a very short arm, it sticks out like this. And then we draw his fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, and then we draw the other side and do the same thing. Alright, so next part we're going to draw is his legs and his feet. So you've already started on the legs, so draw a little line going down like that, and then draw the feet. It's a nice round curve, and then straight up the middle. And you stop the line there at the bottom there. And you just do the same on the other side. Alright, starting to look good. Now the other thing, we'll draw his face now. Nice and easy to draw. We've got one big smile. He's very strong, very happy. And we'll draw his eyes. It's 2 black ovals. If you want to, you can colour it different colour, but I'll just make mine black. Okay, and the last thing we'll do is his little green hat. So he's got a little hat there, so we're going to draw that.
Kind of looks like an M or a jelly.
Yeah, that's right. So the top of it does. So we'll draw, it looks like a bit of a jelly or a bit of an M. And so that's the top of his hat. And he's got a little rim as well. So we draw a little curve that touches the bottom there and goes up there like that a little bit. Yeah. Alright, so it's Mr. Strong. So next part is to colour in.
And we're back.
We finished colouring in and I think they look wonderful. It's a nice easy character to draw because it's basically just a square with arms and legs and you just colour it in red. So nice and easy. Are you happy with yours?
Yes.
That is great. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you had a wonderful time and you followed along with us. Check out our channel. We've got other Mr. Men and Little Miss characters for you to enjoy. So we hope to see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.